Hello guys, I have a Honeywell. It's a Honeywell Home Pro Series. So I'm gonna check it out because the keypad is not working. So I have to use my screwdriver. So I'm gonna put my phone right here anytime because I cannot hold it while I'm working. So right there, just sit right here while I'm popping the wall. Guys, here we are. We take it off. Yay! We're gonna replace the battery because it's not functioning. So we need this alkaline battery. So I don't have that one. Here we are. So whenever we get the battery, so we can put it out. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you all. Hello guys, I'm gonna replace my thermostat. I already take it off, so you have to replace once a year for air condition. It's a Honeywell Home Pro Series, and this one you just this is the old battery. It's a GP alkaline. To battery you can use a AA battery. So right here, we're gonna put right here. So make sure which is the positive. Make sure positive is right here. You look where it's the battery goes through. So right there, positive is right there. And then let's go put it up, guys. So let's put it up. Right here, this is the one because it's not functioning. So right here. So right here, it's already, it's loading. So right here, guys, so it's right there. It's easy. Replace the battery and you just sit on it. I don't know.